Hello, my name is Lourdes Guacho, and now I will expose my critical thinking about the fishing farming. Well, according to Mike Bellins, our fishing system collapsed in the last 30 years, and this is too bad as nowadays the fish is the principal animal that contributes protein in our diet. As Bellins said, 2.6 billion people depend on fish to cover their nutrition. But if we see in the last time about the 90% of swordfish and tuna disappeared because people manage the oceans in a bad way. The WWF, World Wildlife Fund, says that in 40 years the quantity of fish is reduced to the half. For me, that is alarming, and in the future, the bad management of the oceans could cause serious problems for us. So, the solution that Bellin said is the aquaculture. I will mention the key words mentioned by Bellin: farming instead hunting. The purpose of aquaculture is to change global food productive system. We need to farm fish, not hunt it. And what are the reasons to bet in the aquaculture? The resources needed to produce a pound of fish is fewer than the resources needed for a pound of beef. Also, eat fish is healthy because we are consuming omega-3, and it helps to prevent heart diseases. Mike Bellin said, "This is the time for the blue revolution. This is the revolution of aquaculture." Actually, 65 million tons of fish are for human consumption, but the challenge in 35 years later is to produce 85 million tons. Now, the current aquaculture is related with chemical diseases, pollution, unsustainable feed ingredients. People think in these facts and found pollution everywhere. But the purpose of Blue Revolution are create closed system, have fishes fed by microbes, microalgae, insects, seaweeds, using better equipment. So, we will dismiss the pollution. But this is a challenge that all people have to adopt, as the result will be most and better if all of us work like a body. As Bellin said, we need a collective vision in sustainable direction for create income and feed the world. Maybe we will need to start learning more about aquaculture to transmit the information to the population and expand the idea. But all actions have a cost. So, finally, the decision could be taken by the leaders of aquaculture in each country, and also for us, like Zamoranos, because we are starting to work in the development of our countries, and maybe the solution not are only in the soil. We can complement it in oceans. We need to learn how to manage our resources in a better way. With aquaculture, we will use the marine water, so we are saving the fresh water for another activity. Remembering that our principal objective is to lessen the hunger of millions of people in a good and sustainable way. And this is how we do the difference. So, Blue Revolution is a different way to support us and the nature, and if we are contributing to sustainable development, why not to participate in it? Our decision could be the difference in all the world and could help more and more people every day. So it is time to change our activities.